Hello students, today's lecture is very important for math students of plus 2 class because today we will discuss some MCQ of matrices and determinants for tomorrow past test. So let's begin. First question, a matrix having many rows and one column is known as? B option is right because a matrix having one column is called column matrix. Next question number 2. If A is any square matrix of order m by n, then because in square matrix m is equal to n, so A is right option. Next question number 3. A square matrix which is scalar and identity matrix is known as identity matrix. Then if A is a square matrix, A is equal to Aij n cross n, that is A is of order n, such that Aij is equal to 0, that is all non-diagonal elements are 0 for all I not equal to j, and Aii is equal to c, that is all diagonal elements are c where c is non-zero and all non-diagonal elements are 0. This type of matrix is called scalar matrix, so B is right option. Next question number 5. If A is equal to Aij m cross n matrix in which all the elements are 0, then the matrix is known as zero matrix because in zero matrix all elements are zero. Next question, question number 6. A square matrix A, Aij n cross n, that is A is of order n. If Aij is equal to 0 for I is less than j, then that matrix is known as, because I is less than j, so matrix is lower triangular. If a matrix A, Aij n cross n and Aii is equal to 1 and Aij is equal to 0 for all I not equal to j, that is all non-diagonal elements are 0 and all diagonal elements are 1, then the matrix is called identity matrix. Next question, a matrix having one row and many columns is known as? A matrix having only one row is called row matrix. Next question, a square matrix A, Aij n cross n, if Aij is equal to 0 for I is greater than j, then that matrix is known as upper triangular matrix. Next question, if A is equal to Aij m cross n is a rectangular matrix, then m is greater than n or m is less than n or m is equal to n, so C is right option. Next question, if A is equal to 2, 3, minus 1, 4, then minus 3A is. Now multiply this matrix by 3, we get minus 6, minus 9, 3 and minus 12, that is C option is right option. Then question number 2, compute sin A plus B, cos A plus B, sin A minus B, cos A minus B plus sin A minus B, cos A minus B, sin A plus B and cos A plus B is equal to, now by solving this we get sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So by solving this we get this result, 2 sin A cos B, 2 cos A cos B and 2 sin A cos B, 2 cos A cos B. Symmetric matrix is a one in which A is equal to A transpose. Next question, if the matrix A is both symmetric and skew symmetric, then A is square zero matrix, so B is right option. Next question number 3, for matrix A, if A transpose is equal to I is the identity matrix, then A is orthogonal matrix, because in orthogonal matrix A transpose is equal to I. Next, fourth question, all the diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix is 0. Next, question number 5, transpose of a rectangular matrix is rectangular matrix. Now these questions are based on invertible matrices. If A is a singular matrix, then for singular matrix determinant is equal to 0. So A is right option. Second question, let I be the identity matrix of order 3 by 3, then I inverse is I, because identity matrix is self-invertible. Now MCQ based on determinants. First one is, if x 4 9x is equal to 6 4 9 6, then x is equals to, now by solving determinants, x square minus 36 is equal to 36 minus 36 0, that is x is equal to plus minus 6. So B is right option. Next question, let A be a square matrix of order 3 by 3 and determinant of A is 6, then determinant of 2A is equal to, because 2A is equal to 2 raised to the power 3A, that is 8 multiplied by determinant of A is equal to 6, that is equal to 48. So D is right option. Next question 3, if A is equal to diagonal 4 2 1, then determinant of A is equal to, now A is matrix of this type 4 2 1 and non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. Now value of this determinant is equal to, product of diagonal elements, that is 8. So C is right option. Next question, if A is equal to 1 2 4 2, then the value of K is, and the condition given is 2A is equal to KA. Now this is equal to 2 raised to the power 2, determinant of A is equal to K of A determinant. This cancel and K is equal to 4. So B is right option. Next question, if A be a skew symmetric matrix of order 3, then determinant of A is, determinant of skew symmetric matrix is equal to 0. Next, which of the following is correct? Determinant is square. Determinant is a number associated to a matrix. Determinant is a number associated to a square matrix. So C is right option. Now these questions are based on minors and cofactors. First one is, minor of a matrix exists if and only if the matrix is square matrix. The minor Mij of the element Aij of a determinant is defined as the value of the determinant. when we determine minor of matrix, we have delete ith row and jth column of the determinant. So C is right option for this. Okay students, now you will solve some more examples for practice. These MCQs are also available on Educare app. You may download from there. Thank you.